So today's job we're going to be doing the throttle position sensor on an Audi Q3. It's actually a 2013 model, potentially called a Gen 1. On these with the throttle position sensors, when they go with the silly start stop feature they've got, it can bring up the coil light as well, glow plug light, which puts the car into limp mode, which is less than ideal. So my plan is to fit a new throttle position sensor. I've got a new old one. I bought it second hand off an auction site. It cost me approximately 16 quid, which is over £130 cheaper than a new one, which isn't even potentially genuine. I've seen just pop this cap off, and then this is a 10mm bolt, or it has actually got a star bit inside as well, which looks like a T20. Once you get that out, because that was incredibly easy, what you've got to try and do now is, you've got these two slots here, 1, 2, and you basically turn it over, and you've got two pins which you want to release the foot pedal. Well, I'll show you the pins. I'll stick a picture in here. So you want to be going down at an angle to push these clips. Oh well, actually, there we go, I feel it there. I'll actually put this on the bench afterwards and show you this. Because once you know what you're looking for, it should be really easy. Two metal pins that it sits on. So just giving that a right good tug, and it still hasn't actually broken. So we are. Now what we're looking for is winner. So what I've just done there is I've just pulled this red portion out. I literally can't see it behind the throttle pedal, the brake pedal. Let's move this one away. To get a better view of this plug here, you get the red portion which just flicks backwards, and then it literally just pulls off. It comes off quite easily. And now you know how it all works. The install is just the complete opposite. Like I say, this is just a replacement one I bought off the old internet. So I'll put it in the right way around. Put it in. Push the metal clip back in. Metal clip? So the red clip is definitely not metal. Clip back into place. And we've got the 110mm bolt. Potentially one of the easiest jobs I've ever done on a car. Good old Halfords. Use it for everything. Definitely clipped in. Let's put the cap back on. Job done. I'm going to run a code reader on it now, clear the codes, and then hopefully we are free. Just drive it tomorrow. So the OBD port in these cars, just using a Carista Auto Scan, Pro Scan. Just simply an app through my phone. Stick them in there. So this is the throttle pedal out of the car. I'm trying to do this without actually getting in the way. But this is a groove that you have in the carpet and you want to be aiming down here to move that tang across there. So that one moves nicely sideways and clips off. And then whether or not you can see through, you're basically going through an angle and just having a push on that one. I don't know if we can actually get in and see the light in there. Well, basically you're coming down on an angle and you're pushing that tang there, and it'll come off the silver pins. Turn my light on the matter. You can see the two there, and that's what you're pushing out from.